Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I will show you how to draw this landscape scene in Procreate, and I will use mostly default brush. Also I added some palm trees in the scene, so I made a custom palm tree brush. But don't worry, you can download this brush freely. The link is in the description. Go check this out. Also I will share the color palettes with you. Link will be also in the description box. So grab your pen and iPad and let's start. First I will choose the monoline brush and I will draw some land. Make a horizontal line and then draw an uneven line above that. Fill this portion with this dark color. Next we will create a new layer, drag it below the land layer. Fill the canvas with a purple color. Now we will add some texture in the sky. We will make a separate layer between the land layer and the background layer. Now we will use the soft brush which you can find in the airbrushing. Now we will add some bright red, yellow, some violets in the sky because it's a sunset scene, and we will make some horizontal strokes. Now we will make some clouds with the same brush. So make some circular motion and keep the lower side of these structures more or less horizontal. Now it looks a bit nasty, right? So we will smudge them. Now if you hold the smudge option, it will automatically choose the current paintbrush. That is the soft brush that I was using. Now carefully smudge the colors with horizontal strokes. Once I am happy with the smudging, I will slightly lower the opacity of this layer, let's say 90%. Now I will create a new layer above it and I will add some more clouds with some darker colors with the same technique that I have followed earlier. Like we will make circular motions to create these clouds with the same brush. Now we will add some color variation in the clouds. So our sky is more or less ready. Now I will move to create the trees. So I will add 2 trees using my tree stamp brush, which you can download freely. Check the link in the description. Now I will choose this dark color and I will tap on the screen once until I am happy with the height and the shape of the tree. Also, we can modify the shape using the selection tool. We can change its direction and its overall shape and size. Once I am happy with one tree, I will create another layer and I will add a second tree. I am creating these trees in separate layers so that I can modify them easily. Now I will add some more clouds in the sky and I will also smudge them. Next I will add some darker clouds with circular motion, and this time I am using the soft airbrush. Now group these layers except that background layer. Let's call this upper. Now we will duplicate this group and I will rename this as lower. Now merge all layers in this group. Now select this merged layer, go to flip vertical. Now drag the layer below the ground layer to create a reflection on the river. Position it carefully. Now lower the opacity of this layer. Now go to adjustment and select motion blur. Now slide your pen slightly horizontally to the right. It will blur the layer in that direction. Now it's time to add some water texture. Go to Ocean Brush, which you can find under Elements. Choose a lighter color and make some horizontal strokes. Now go to the Twig brush, which you can find under Organic category, and we will add some twigs near the ground and on the water using a dark color. Now our sunset scene is ready. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Let me know in the comments. We will meet in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye.